Alright, real quick, I think this is a pretty important video. So, if you look at from 1 day to 2 day, I am up about $100. So what I'm going to do is pull some of these profits out, just in case it goes back down. At least it won't go down as much, right? So anyway, unfortunately I'm down on a lot of these realistically, but I'm still going to take a little bit out. So, I'll start with Ethereum. And click on Ethereum. Go to trade, convert ETH, and I'm going to convert it to DAI token, D-A-I. And DAI token's great because, as you see, it's worth $1. So I'm going to pull out $30. I'm going to get 10% out of it. I mean, it's up 10%, so literally if I pull out 10%, I think that's a good move. If it goes back down another 5%, maybe I'll put the money back in it. But I keep getting tricked into selling too early and buying too late, so I'm just gonna take profits on the way up. Convert now. Go back to the account. Go to portfolio. I kind of want to hold 100 Cardano, so I might leave it there. Let's see what internet computer is at. I think my buy-in's about 42. Yeah, so I'm going to leave that alone. Solana, I'm down on. Only Solana alone. It's a new project. It probably got a lot to do. I just actually put money into Compound and Maker. So Compound, we're definitely up over the course of a day. So once again, go to trade, convert Compound. Now it does tax you. Coinbase taxes you like 0.5%, 0.3% or something like that for conversions. It's negligible when you're working with little dollar amounts, but on big dollar amounts I'm sure it's different. So you actually want to convert as few times as possible. So let's see, convert Compound, which is something I believe in. I'm going to take $6 out of it. Like, really, I wish I had like $1,000 in all of these and then another $10,000 so I didn't have to look at crypto for like 3 or 4 years. Just because I feel like a lot of the things I'm investing in that I've done research on, they're not going anywhere. You know, like, the thing is, what cryptocurrency really is, people fail to realize, is this a currency like a money, but it's also a currency of information and ideas. And a lot of the information and ideas today are standardized, if not suppressed, by mainstream outlets. So you got everyone thinking the same thing, doing the same thing, living the same life, you know. But anyway, so what crypto aims to do is this cryptographic or whatever, where it's encrypted data. Like, you need to have specific keys to unlock the data. That's what a blockchain is, pretty much. Like, it's like if I had $1 and I split it into 100 pennies, and you couldn't spend the next penny without spending the first penny, and you had to check with 99 other people to make sure that it's a legitimate purchase or transfer. That's kind of what cryptocurrency is. So anyway, things like Compound is a crypto like interest or something similar to that. They actually people put their crypto assets in a staking process where they earn a percentage, and also it just goes up in general because it's cryptocurrency and a lot of them get interest. So Maker is the inverse of the DAI token. So I'm going to go to trade, convert Maker, and so like I said, the reason I'm doing it is because DAI stays at $1. So with this staying at $1, that means it's going to be $1 next year, which is great. So as these are going up, I'm taking a little bit out, and then I'll put it back in when they go down. So anyway, Maker is actually what makes the DAI token. When crypto's doing good, Maker's doing good. When crypto's doing bad, Maker's doing bad. It's like really as easy as that, because a lot of people are practicing this right here. And for me, it's cheaper to convert it into DAI token than like US dollar token or Tether, whatever, any of that. And actually DAI tokens based off of Maker, which is based off of Ethereum, which, like I said, is, encrypted data. Anyway, back to that. So reason, I strongly support cryptocurrency is because you have our currency, which is used, by everyone, but you have people that hoard the currency and they seem to make the rules, So with cryptocurrency is decentralized, and it actually is fighting against mainstream currencies. And things like Solana, Ethereum, Polkadot, all these things, they're building apps on them. DApps, D-A-P-P-S. And it's basically, if you want to sell something online through eBay, they would tax you 12%. Then, it's like you're still paying, if you sell enough, you're claiming on your taxes, and they're taxing you there and stuff like that. And, like, this is competition for that. Like, if you want to build an Amazon store, like, you're paying a premium, you want to build a Shopify or something like that, you're paying this money, and realistically a lot of that money is going to just the same entity, and that's the one who owns the freaking internet, like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, so that's why, there seems to actually be like a war on crypto right now. Anyway, so with all that being said, Internet Computer Protocol is something definitely looking into. You can see at one point in the year it went up to $750, so this thing definitely has potential to move around, especially if you could buy it at $33 and have it go back up to that. But Internet Computer Protocol, I'll just let you read it right there, it is actually like rebuilding an internet, and it's building a decentralized version of the internet, and I'm pretty sure they have at least a test net up, but like it performs almost as fast as the internet does now. So this is something super cool to look into. These are a lot of really smart people working on this one. They've been working a long time to make this one, what it is. And so anyway, what's going to start happening with crypto, what crypto is doing is moving into Web 3, which is like, instead of you having big buildings filled up with all these servers and stuff like that, instead, you have a decentralized, everyone holds bits of information on their phones and their computers and everywhere over the world, so you can't just have one person go and burn all the books, so to say. You can't really have one person rewrite history. It's like another cool crypto I have nothing in is storage. It's like basically what I'm saying, where they'll take, you take a picture of someone and it'll break it up into thousands of different pieces and thousands of different like indexing tools, so that when you have the rights to view that picture, it doesn't matter who, no one could in particular hold that picture and keep it, unless you decided to. Anyway, I don't know if that makes any sense, but that's what I'm trying to tell you. So yeah, the DAI token is great to get some of your gains back out. Unfortunately, dude, I started selling Polygon way too soon. Polygon's gonna keep going up again. So that's probably about it. I'm probably not going to get rid of too much else. I feel about comfortable with that. And I mean, so if it goes up a little bit more, I might take a little bit more out. But you can see, it's kind of a tumultuous week, so I want to get it so that my graphs ain't looking like crazy doo-doo like that. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. Correct me on any information if I'm wrong. Yeah, but like I was saying, like Polkadot, Solana, Ethereum, like all these things are building an internet, and it is like a decentralized internet, and that's why you're hearing so much crap in the media about like, oh, dude, it's a scam, blah blah blah, because this is a competition. Like, there's only a few people running the whole show, and this is their competition, and they have a lot of money, but they don't have enough money to buy it all up, so they want to get the price on some of these things really low, so that when they do buy it up, they have control of that too. So that's why you may want to consider investing in crypto, because it is a decentralized asset. Like it was like 1931 or 33 or something, like the United States literally confiscated gold. Like you couldn't own gold, so it's like stuff changes, and it changes fast, so it's good to not have all your eggs in the same basket or whatever, Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Bye.